We got a 2022 Hyundai Ioniq. We're going to change the cabin air filter today. First step is going to be to open the glove box. It's going to be located behind your glove box, so we're going to need to lower this out of the way. This damper here, we're going to need to disconnect this first. All you're going to need to do is just pull on it, disconnect it. Now there are these glove box stoppers here. We're going to turn counterclockwise. We can pull them out. There's one there. There's one on the other side here. So once you get them out, now you can lower the glove box down. And it reveals where the cabin filter lives. It lives in this box right here. We need to remove this door. We're going to pinch these tabs right here. And we're going to pull towards us. And we're going to wiggle this a little bit, pull this door off. And you notice when we go to put this back, it has this little tab on the left here. It goes into this slot, okay? We need to go in there when we go to put it back, all right? You can just pull out the filter. This one's pretty dirty. And notice right here, this is the airflow on it is down, okay? Our new filter will be labeled also. And it says, turn this guy over like so. We're facing down. If you need one of these filters, check the description box. I'll have a link takes you to Amazon where you can get one if you need one. Slide it back in here. Get our door. Stick it on the left side first. Lock it on. Let me go ahead and take the glove box, close it enough to hook up the damper. This is going to help me hold it with one hand. You don't need to do this first. I'm just doing it to help me out. And you're going to get the stopper. You're going to need to kind of close the glove box a little bit to get it past where it needs to be. Clockwise, lock them in. Do both sides like that and you're all done.